Hey guys, I'm Vinod. I'm the marketing head at Arttora. Arttora is the first of its kind social media platform for artists and art enthusiasts. You can also host classes and events on Arttora. Today we are conducting calligraphy shadow writing workshop with Sankhya Ashok. Sankhya Ashok is a renowned calligraphy expert who has trained a lot of people all around India in calligraphy. So we are all excited to have her in this workshop at 91 Springboard, Bangalore. Let's do it. Hey guys, so this way we're gonna have the event today at 91 Springboard, Bangalore, and the preparations are already on and we're all excited about it.
I am Sankhya. I'm a calligraphist. I've worked 15 years and I'm doing a workshop in Arttora for shadow writing. I have taught shadow writing, intense coloring and calligraphy too. Shadow writing is a kind of writing which would help the kids and adults do presentation well and would actually benefit them even with this signature. Because once you learn this kind of writing, you automatically get used to a kind of signature where your signature falls right. So I think calligraphy really helps with that. I'm thankful to Arttora for giving us a platform to start with our artist work and our talents. What we could, but I'm extremely excited to coach all the people today.
Hello, my name is Swati and I work as a technical lead in Axion Labs. I really like the calligraphy workshop because it's after a long time we used pencil and scale and we did something interesting. So I really like the workshop. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Sandeep. I'm working with Action Labs as a software engineer, and this is very new to me. And it's a great experience doing shadow calligraphy, and I love to do this. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Prahlad. I work for Axion Labs, and I got to attend the calligraphy workshop. It was pretty nice. We learned how the shadow writing font is. It's pretty cool. I did not know like a lot of thought actually goes into it. It's a lot harder than it looks. I underestimate a lot of fonts when I see them. It's pretty cool. I learned a lot. Awesome.
Hey, I'm Vinay here. I'm from Axion Labs. I was a senior software engineer. Went for the workshop and it's pretty good. Especially the Shankya, like whatever the ma'am said, it's absolutely awesome. I really felt it's fascinating about the art and culture. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Rion Joseph. I work in Intelvi Ad. I just attended this shadow writing class and it's good. It makes your handwriting and designing much better and good designing. Thank you, and I think it's better to learn this shadow writing class.
Hi, I'm Kumar. I work as an advisor here and assist a few data science and AI platforms. I have had an inclination towards the visual arts since my childhood, and I thought I'd sort of attend this workshop. I found it to be pretty therapeutic, really, and quite a good use of my afternoon.